argument for why we should focus on content marketing, specifically with a bent toward search engine optimization. I always love to pull up the stat that online search, it's the top method used by prospects to discover colleges and programs, but that 90% of those people don't actually know what school they want to attend when they're initiating an online search. So it's very rare someone's going to wake up and say, in our instance, okay, today's the day that I know I'm going to go get an online business certificate from Harvard Business School online. There's usually more steps in the process that they need to evaluate what is the right, do they want to do online or in person? Where do they want to live? What aspects do they value of a program? There's just so many questions that people have. Do they even need to learn business or something else? And so I think for me, where I see a lot of value in content is really just helping people during that very important decision-making process, giving them the content that they need to help them not only make the right decision, but also even once they're in our funnel, even between all of our courses, for example, which one is the right fit for them. I really think education can change someone's life, but it's also a very big decision that you're making, a big investment that you're making. And so content can really help people make those right decisions, see the value, get the most value out of their experience. So our journey is starting. It's valuable. We really starting with personas. So I'll just walk through an example for us. So a big persona of ours is that pre-MBA audience. And we really want to equip people. We have a great program that can equip people with the essential business skills that they need to prepare for an MBA, to determine whether an MBA is the right fit for them. It's called CORE. And when we are creating content for that program, we'll really think through what's that first question that someone is probably going to have. And it's not going to be, it might some point along the line be, is an MBA the right fit for me? But they probably have even earlier questions of what business skills do I need to advance my career? What's the importance of business skills? Why should I study business, right? These are probably questions you're looking to advance your career. You've got a skill set gap and you don't know how to fill that. And so we're trying to create content first that'll help you answer that initial question and really help you determine what business skills you might need to take that next step in your career. And then as you move down that process and thinking of yourself as someone who might be considering going to get an MBA, then those do come the questions of why should I get one? Or I'm considering earning one, how should I prepare? So we want to create content to help you determine that. And what's great about all of this content is that it's not promotional to us. Of course, there's a call to action at the bottom that tells you we've got programs that can help you, but we try to create content that's not too self-serving to us, that really is educational resource and can help people make the right decisions. And then from there all the way down to application. So if you decided, yes, I know that an MBA is something that I want to do, but I really do have a gap in my skill set and I really want to prepare, HBS Online's programs are great for that. Then that's where we want to give you student testimonials. It's where we want to show you examples of how CORE can help you take the next step. And so for us, we're really trying to take a holistic view at during each person's decision-making process at each point, what might they need? Is it blog content? Is it an ebook? Is it an infographic? Is it a video? And we'll create content to cater to that journey. We have two sort of looks at them. So we overarching have three key personas. So pre-MBA, an entrepreneur, and a career advancer. We will, when we start to really drill down and do keyword research for specific program, we'll sort of create mini personas. Those aren't ones that we're targeting on our main website, but really making sure that if someone's specifically coming to our finance program, for example, we have an idea of what they might be searching for and what questions they might have in their process. So we have three key personas that span all of our programs, but then for each, as we're creating content for a specific program, we might really drill down to a smaller persona of, for the specific program, what audience, the one that we're trying to target. Well, we're making sure as we're writing each post, we are really focused on search engine optimization and post. What are we answering the questions that these people are coming to us for? We're explaining everything as in-depth detail as we can. So I will say from a distribution process, I mean, there's just some nice organic traffic that's coming in through that. But for us, we are very active on social media. So we're sharing all of our content through those channels. We also have a very active past participant base, so they're great about being advocates for us and sharing our research as well. And we've got a great email team, so they're incorporating our blog posts into their emails. Yeah, and a lot of what's great too is HBS is very collaborative, so we've got our own social channels that we're sharing things through and newsletters, and there'll be other departments within HBS and Harvard overall who will also share. I think the partners here are trying to do a good job of cross-promoting each other's content.
Thank you for tuning into the Education Marketing Insider by Grow Enrollments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Stay tuned.